At 45, I'm completely pain-free after dealing with lower back pain since I was 20. I fixed it with just 5 exercises, no equipment needed, no complicated routines. Let me show them to you. The first one is cat-cow. You see, your spine was built to move, but most of us spend our days locked in one position, sitting at a desk, driving, staring at our phones, and when your spine stops moving, it gets stiff, and stiff spine hurt. Get down on your hands and knees. Put your hands right under your shoulders, knees right under your hips. Drop your belly towards the floor, lift your chest and your butt up. You are creating a big arch in your back, like a smile. This is not a stretch, so be gentle and start the next move straight away. Run your spine towards the ceiling like an angry cat. Tuck your chin down and your butt under. Flow back and forth, cow-cat, cow-cat, nice and smooth. Match it with your breathing. Breathe in as you arch into your cow, breathe out as you round into cat. This movement wakes up every single joint in your spine. The first few times might feel tight, that's normal. Just keep moving slowly and you feel everything start to loosen up. Don't rush it. The slower you go, the more benefit you'll get. Number 2 is back rocking, and this might seem too simple to work, but it's one of the fastest way to release tension in your lower back. You see, when your back is tight and painful, your muscles are locked up, trying to protect you. They are basically saying, don't move, something wrong here, but staying locked up makes it worse. This movement teaches your back that it's safe to move again. Lie on your back on a soft surface like a mat with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Now, here's the key. Let your entire body relax. Your back, your neck, your shoulders, everything is loose. Now, push through your feet and let your legs do all the work. Your legs are like a lever that rocks your entire body up and down. Push with your feet to tilt your hips towards your head, then relax and let them drop back down. You're not squeezing your butt or your stomach muscles. You're just using your legs to rock the whole body like a rocking chair. If your pain allows, here's a variation of the movement. Start in the same position, lie on your back with your knees bent. Lift one knee up towards your chest and grab it with the same hand. So if it's your right knee, grab it with your right hand. Then lift your other knee up and grab it with your other hand. If you can't reach your knee, grab behind your thigh instead. This keeps your leg muscles completely relaxed. Now, instead of using your feet to rock, use your arms. Gently pull your knees towards your chest, then ease them back slightly. You're rocking with your arms now. Your back is getting a gentle massage with each rock. If you want to feel it more in your back and it's not painful, you can pull your knees a little to your chest and keep doing those gentle rocks. Remember, this is not stretching. It's a mobility exercise to help loosen the back, not to stretch it. When you are done, come out of it slowly. Put one knee down at a time, nice and easy. This protects your lower back. Your back doesn't need harsh stretching. It needs gentle movement to remember it's safe. If you need any help and want a custom plan to your specific situation, I'm doing free assessment calls throughout December. Click the link below to grab your spot. Now, let's get back to the other moves. The third one is a hip stretch. Your lower back doesn't work alone. It connects to your hips, and when your hips are tight, your lower back has to work overtime to make up for it. That's when pain shows up. Lie on your back. Bend your right knee and place your right foot flat on the floor. Now, take your left ankle and cross it over your right knee. Your left leg is making a number 4 shape. From here, bringing both legs towards your chest, grab behind your right thigh with your right hand and gently pull everything towards you. Now, with your left hand, gently push your left knee away from you. This creates more stretch in your left hip. Breathe into it. Don't force anything. Just let the stretch happen naturally. You should feel this stretch in your hip, not your lower back. If you're feeling it in your lower back, that's wrong. The stretch needs to be in the hip only. Then lower your legs back down and switch sides. Right ankle over left knee. Bring both the legs towards your chest. Grab behind your left thigh with your left hand and gently push your right knee away with your right hand. The stretch opens up your hips, and when your hips can move freely, your back pain drops big time. Just go as far as feels comfortable. Over time, you get more movement. Number 4 is the hip flexor release. There's a deep muscle in front of your hip that connects your spine to your legs called psoas. And when you sit all day, this muscle gets short and tight. Here's how to release it. Get into a lunge position, right foot forward, left foot behind you. Keep your body upright, don't lean forward. While you're here, reach your left arm towards the ceiling. Now tilt your body to the right side. You're opening up the entire left side of your body. You feel the stretch running from your left hip all the way up to your left side. Now, here's the key. key part. From this position, gently tilt your body backwards, not too much, just a little lean back. This opens up the front of your hip properly. Breathe into it, don't force anything. Then come back to the starting position and switch sides. Left foot forward, right knee down, push your hips forward, reach your right arm towards the ceiling and tilt your body to the left side, then gently tilt backwards. When this muscle is released, your lower back doesn't have to fight against the constant pull anymore, and that's when the pain starts to disappear. And number 5 is waking up your back muscles, and this one is your secret weapon against your future back pain. You see, your back muscles are supposed to do most of the work when you move, but when you sit all day, they shut off. Stand on your right leg, bend your right knee slightly and reach back with your left leg like you're tapping the wall behind you with your toes. As you do this, place your right hand on your right butt cheek so you can feel it working. I know it's weird. Lower down into a small squat on your right leg, not too deep, just enough to feel your right back muscles turn on under your hand. Pause for a second at the bottom, then push through your right foot to stand back up. The hand on your butt is key. It's teaching your brain when to turn on the muscle. When your back muscles start working again, your back finally gets a break, and that's when lasting relief happens. Again, if you want some extra help to build a mobility plan that actually works for you specifically, I'm offering free calls until December 31st. Click the link below to get your free spot. And to keep the momentum going, check out next video YouTube is recommending for you. Thanks for watching, stay moving and take care.